In this YouTube ads tutorial you'll see the crazy trick that's allowing people to get leads dirt cheap. In fact, Mike Filsaime, who's done more million-dollar launches for more brands than any marketer in history, says that it's the only advertising platform you'll ever need. And no wonder. Because when he used YouTube ads to hijack his competitors' videos, Mike received tons of video views and supercharged his brand awareness. All for the unbeatable price of $0. Here's the trailer.
What I'm going to basically name this presentation today is the case for YouTube advertising. For some reason, your YouTube channel is suffering, and there happens to be that one person on ClickBank that's number 2 in ClickBank in this particular area. They're doing $3 million a year. You're doing $30,000 a year. And I'm just making this up, but their content sucks. It sucks so much. They're giving bad advice. And you're saying, honey, this is really pissing me off. Do you see the advice this person's giving? They're telling the person to do this. That's the worst thing in the world. I don't know how that person's getting this many views on YouTube. I need to create a better YouTube channel. Yes, but don't worry. Just hijack that person's ad. This is one of the most important things of this presentation. Here's the thing. I can't believe I'm saying this, and I can't believe Google allows this to happen, but this is how it works.
But that's not all. Because Mike then scaled his winning campaigns with clever retargeting and reduced his ad costs by as much as 90%. Efficiently growing GrooveDigital to over 450,000 users in its first year. So how did he do it? Mike revealed all the details inside the latest 75-minute episode of Steal Our Winners, including the 8-step YouTube hack that allows you to hijack competitor videos, boost brand awareness, and get prospects to watch your ads for free. 3 must-have spy tools to identify video content that your ideal audience loves watching. The 4 types of leads each ad campaign should have. How many ad intros, videos, and hero sections you should create to find winning controls. 4 segments you should target when first setting up your YouTube ad campaigns. Moral of the story? If you're tired of online ad platforms that are increasingly competitive, unpredictable, and difficult to scale, and want to get leads on YouTube for dirt cheap instead, make sure you check out Mike's strategy, for free. See the link below in the description.